Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Thank you for meeting me back here. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I get my natural hair puff. And you know, I think it's cute or whatever. It's real easy. So if you like this look and you want to see how I got it, keep on watching. So I start off with freshly washed hair, of course, moisturize it and things like that. And then I like to grease my scalp with wild growth oil. And then before I blow dry, I like to use this heat protectant. This is my favorite heat protectant. And then after I blow dry my hair is when I'm ready to do my puff. I like to use a wooden brush, not a wooden brush, but like a coarser bristle brush. Is that what you would call it? A coarse bristle brush, just so that you have some sort of nice little grip. And I brush up all the sides. Then I take some edge control, and this is the Cream of Nature's one. It has argan oil in it, which is why I like it. But to be honest, it don't do a damn thing. Ooh, well, I'm gonna brush up the back and the side edges. The front doesn't really matter because you'll see a little later on that I kind of drop the front of my hair closer towards my forehead. So mini story time. I went to a client's house to do her makeup, and while I'm doing her makeup, like, I keep hearing noises. Every time I hear the noise, like, I see her like look around, like, I'm like, what you looking at, sis? Like, please let me know where the noise is coming from. Then I see her looking again, and I'm like, now she's looking like where my stuff is at. And I see her like looking in that direction. I'm like, what is over there? Like, what exactly are you looking at? The third time I hear the noise, I look down and I see a mouse. Yeah, I was ready to go at this point, okay?
So we finna just act like we didn't just see that. Because I know a rat when I see a rat, and that's a rat.
Cause you know how apartments be real small and like crowded sometimes? Like, oh no, sis, I'ma be out. I literally grabbed my little bag and I was packing everything I could as quick as I could, okay? I left hella stuff back there, and I know that for a fact because to this day, I'm still looking for some of my client makeup and I cannot find it in my kit. Okay, so now that it's brushed up and it's nice and smooth, my lighting keeps going in and out, so my bad, y'all. My bad. I'm gonna take this elastic band, and I bought these from my beauty supply store, and so I'm gonna just put it on like that. Then you just slide it back. The front, I don't slide back too much. It's mainly like the back area. Just keep pushing it up until you get like the mushroom or like the pineapple top, like the shape that you want, basically. Now I'm gonna take two closed bobby pins and I'm going to just bend them a little bit. I like to bend mine like that, because I feel like it grips, it helps like hold the grip a little. I like the sides to kind of be a little more like pushed in just a little bit. And also I like to hide my rubber band. So, well, my headband. So, doing this trick kind of helps. I tuck the hair under the band, and then I push the pin inside. Now, for my edges, like it or not, this is what I do. So don't come at me for what I do. This is what I do. Okay? I use Got to Be Glued for my edges.
I don't care. I don't give it.
I take a toothbrush. Now I know they recently somebody just recently came out with some like edge brush or something like that looks like a toothbrush, and the other side looks like a comb. I don't care how innovative you guys want to be in order to make this toothbrush better. I will be using a toothbrush to the end of time. Dab it on. Dab ranch. Dab ranch. Ooh. To life, to life. L'chaim.
To life, l'chaim, 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 to life. Here's to the father I've tried to be, here's to my bride to be. Drink l'chaim, to life, l'chaim, 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 to life.
And then I take a wide tooth comb, sis. Just kind of pull it up at the root, okay? And just, you know, give it some height and stuff. And that's it for the look. This is how I get my puff. If I want my puff to be a little more curly, have a little bit more, you know, pattern to the look, I'll add maybe a leave-in conditioner, something like that. You know, giving you natural hair tease. One time for the natural sisters, for the kids, and for the natural hair kids, you feel me? And if you guys have not yet checked out my nail tutorial, and why not know how to do them yourself, right? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.